Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install call logging with Salesforce for sales reps step by step clearly. To install call logging with Salesforce for sales reps, begin by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the App Exchange from the main dashboard. In the App Exchange search bar, type call logging. Review the list of available applications and select the one that on the apps page, click the Get It Now button. You will be presented with options for installation. Select Install in Production for your live environment. Follow the prompts to authorize the application with your Salesforce account. Review and accept the terms of service if you agree. Next, choose whether to install for all users or specific profiles. Click the Install button to initiate the installation process. Once the installation is complete, navigate to the Salesforce Setup menu. In the Setup search bar, type Installed Packages and click on it. Find the call logging package in the list and click the Configure button. Follow the configuration wizard. Set the relevant permissions for sales reps to access the call logging feature. Configure any additional settings as per your organizational requirements. Once configurations are complete, save your settings. Navigate back to your Salesforce home screen. Ensure the call logging feature is available on the sales rep profiles. Create a test call log to verify that everything is functioning correctly. Engage with your sales reps to train them on using the new call logging feature. Regularly check for updates or enhancements to the call logging application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.